Hey guys, Len from XP Team USA out in the field for a little bit. I just hit this signal. It was a good signal, but it was a mid-tone signal on the ORX. I don't have my tripod with me, so I'll have to hold this. But look at this. I just turned this over 55 on the ORX right here. And look how shiny this is in the sun. I think it's maybe some pin. I don't know. I think it's got writing on it. Might not be a pin. It might have been on a necklace. But anyway, I'm sure it's gold plated. It's got to be. 55 on the ORX today out here in the cornfields. Got a few lead seals, a bunch of marbles, and a few more Indian heads. Catch you later. Thanks. Hey guys, Len from XP Team USA. Little Friday morning action. I was getting ready to load my car. I had the ORX in there. I went back in to get my pinpointer. I think I heard a cheep out of this machine. I think you know what it is, the Deus. I've only been out with it once this year. I think it chirped because it said, Len, take me out, grab my 11-inch hairdo and let's go. Anyway, hey, a nice big iron this morning, a couple Indian heads, and right here, listen to this, man. I just turned this plug over. $92, $93 on the Deus. Let's see. I think I see it. Here it is. Hey, looks like a dime. It says 1 dime, probably a barber, always. Yep, maybe you can see a date. Right there, 92, 93 on the Deus Friday morning at the old field. We'll catch you guys later. Having some fun. Bye. I got the Deus today, and like you can see, there's a big area to do. Right here, I just hit an 85. And look at this. This is really weird. But Alan Carpenter, I think he just found the same number. 113 coal miner's tag. Boy, oh boy, it's weird. So at least this is my third one in this style with the raised letters today. Well, not today, but 3 out here total. So, and Ryan found a different type of tag a little while ago, coal miner's tag. Hey group, Len here. I want you to hear some of this stuff. A lot of iron. Right here. I got a good signal, like 94. So I got it pinpointed right there. I'm going to go back over it, just barely wiggle it. We're going to dig this and see what the heck it is. I don't have a tripod with me, of course. We're going to see what this is. It's fairly deep. So I'm going to throw this stuff out in front of me and go back over with my detector. And after I did that, see how the VDI goes up to 98, 99? So that's usually real deep iron. Right here, I got a couple signals actually. This thing banging. Let's pinpoint it. I'm gonna wiggle it again. That looks like a 95, so that's telling me right there. I'm pretty excited, but you gotta imagine out here There's just tons of iron, and you can't really grit a place like this. It's just, you gotta have a little bit of luck sometimes. And I've dug a lot of, you know, folded over brass this morning, a lot of shotgun shells. I got one button, I think I got 2 Indian heads. But something like a 95, you know, I'm gonna dig it, man. I found great targets on the surface out here. I found good targets 2 to 3 inches, and I found them at 8, 9 inches. So it's right here somewhere. Let me get the pinpointer out. Sorry about the long video. Here we go. It's like a folded piece of, wait a minute, maybe not. Oops. Thought it was a piece of aluminum, but that kind of looks like a buckle. Thought it might have been maybe a money clip. I'm not sure, but that looks like a buckle. Yeah, look. There's a little hole for a pin up here for a rod. This was probably a guy's thin dress buckle. The writing on it looks old. I don't know, I'm hoping it's silver. There's no pitting on it at all like there would be aluminum. So, hey, cross your fingers and let's hope it's silver. I found it on the dais. I'm running reactivity at 3 because I want the fastest reaction between targets out here, because it's just so stuffed with all kinds of materials every 6 inches to a foot. So we'll catch you guys later.